Prototyping in Framer allows you to design interactive and dynamic user experiences without writing code. Here's how to get started. Create a new project. Start by opening Framer and creating a new project. You can choose from a blank canvas or a template to begin prototyping. Design your screens. Use Framer's design tools to create different frames for your prototype. You can add text, shapes, images, and interactive components using drag and drop features. Add interactions. To prototype interactions, select the element you want to animate, then click on the Interactions panel. Framer allows you to add triggers like tap, hover, or drag to initiate actions. For example, you can add a tap interaction to a button that navigates to another screen. Link screens. To transition between screens, create links between frames. Drag a connection line from one element to another to simulate navigation or interactions. Customize the transition style to match your desired flow. Preview your prototype. Once you've added the interactions, click Preview to test how the prototype behaves. You can interact with the design just like a real app to see the transitions and animations in action. Share or export. Finally, you can share your prototype with team members or stakeholders by sending them a link, or export it as a file for further development.